That's how this happened. That
So you don't want to do 9 to 5 either?
I think I have spent enough time in 9 to 5, and for now, what my mind is asking me to do is things I love. So
Yeah,
with that motivation, I actually ended up doing this thing.
Yeah, I
Courses
think that's
in-
literally everyone.
Yeah.
I'm surprised by the amount of people that actually like 9 to 5. Like, how do you like 9 to 5? What is so fun about this? And I've actually worked after I passed my school. I worked at a call center for a brief amount of time as a just to spend my free time.
That is how you have that accent.
No.
Is it natural? I'm asking.
Yeah, I don't know.
You have
I have an accent?
Yeah, you have a very good accent.
Okay, interesting.
I mean, that comes either from working in call centers, one, or either from like
I have
you
no idea
having
how
a-
of that accent, but yeah, I have no clue. But I mean, yeah, I did work at a con. 1 second.
Go ahead.
What were we talking
We can start fresh. Like even I forgot. I mean the accent part, I guess.
about? Oh, okay. I don't know. Maybe we could because I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos growing up. So.
What was your favorite thing? I mean, like,
I used to watch a lot of Gary Minati. I think that does not justify the accent, but yeah, I
उससे
used
तो
to.
गालियाँ आनी चाहिए थी.
गालियाँ आनी चाहिए थी, but and a lot of other YouTubers like Benji. I think you don't know her, but yeah, she was a big YouTuber in 2015.
Okay.
Yeah, I loved her.
Mhm.
I was in 5th grade though. Yeah.
I have a cousin who's like 20, 21, something like this.
Okay.
So, I mean, I'm able to relate your
Okay.
the way you're talking or behaving with him,
Okay.
because even he has a similar way of talking and
Yeah.
I mean a certain way of giving references of things,
Okay.
fashion sense.
Yeah.
So
That's
yeah,
interesting.
I mean generation wise it becomes different, right?
Yeah.
For example, like your father or mother might be having a different fashion sense,
Mm.
and you may be having something more modern than that.
Mm.
So, but that is clearly visible most of the times.
Mm.
That generation wise, there's a change in the way people wear clothes or speak a certain way,
Yeah.
and it's for good.
What do you think about me? Like, what about my clothes and all?
And it's nice, I'm saying. It's nice. I mean, there's no right or wrong, I feel. Right?
Okay.
Is there anything that is right or wrong? I don't look at things like that. It's like, yeah, it's your understanding of things and your way of carrying yourself. So, yeah, it should be good. And how does it matter कि like आपको पसंद है तो सब बस हो गया खत्म बात.
Exactly. हाँ. One
कोई
time
और
I
कोई
used to
है.
be a people pleaser. I used to really care about what people think.
हाँ तो फिर
But then वो करते करते eventually I always just started living in people's heads, and
yeah.
I started living the way people expected me to live.
Yeah.
And that I don't think that made me happy. So recently it is when I started really just not caring about people.
Not to impress, but to express.
To not impress, yeah, all that.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah.
It feels nice, no? At this age, if you have this level of maturity, that means like growing up, or maybe like 2-3 years from now, you will have better perspective about so many things.
Yeah, I think it's also because we are more exposed to the internet now.
Yeah.
So we kind of get to see the world through our phones.
Yeah.
So that also kind of, causes a little bit of growth in you.
Yeah. So tell us more, Priya. You are Priya, right?
Yes, I'm Priya. How did I tell you my name?
No, it was there in the app.
Okay,
It shows
yeah.
no that.
Okay, yeah. No, I've usually never spoken to
No problem.
my cab driver, so
And that too, like cab driver is
never
randomly coming and he's like, I'm a YouTuber.
yeah,
I'm a
that
fitness
has
trainer.
never happened before.
He's like full on in English ki like यार ये क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो
Yeah, I mean, I did experience drivers talking to me in English because I don't know Telugu, but I never experienced. Even I did not even notice the GoPro. Yeah. that
Don't
is-
worry, let's say the face part no, I'll put an emoji to it. But I would
It's
love to
fine,
use the voice.
You don't have.
You're good?
Yeah. I'm good.
ठीक है. So you were born and brought up in Hyderabad?
No.
Uh-huh.
I am born born and brought up in West Bengal,
Hey.
Kolkata.
Beautiful place, man.
I love my Bengal. I love everything about it. I love the
Rich culture.
Very
Yeah.
rich culture.
So Neha, where are you exactly from? I mean, in Bengal, where are you exactly from?
Kolkata.
Kolkata specifically.
Yes, specifically. I grew up there.
Hmm.
I spent my entire childhood there, and then at the age of 18, I shifted to Hyderabad.
अच्छा, let's say West Bengal का capital Kolkata है, right?
Yeah.
So you completed your 10+2 and you're here.
I completed my 10+2, and I came here because my brother got a job here, and my dad just took a transfer.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a government. He is regional director for.
Okay.
Yeah, so we all just सब यहाँ आ गए. And I think I like it here, but then I do miss my Kolkata sometimes.
Yeah, because let's say emotionally, वो connection तो रहेगा ही ना, because you are born and brought up there.
Yeah, I'm extremely connected.
Yeah, we should be like that is our homeland,
But
motherland.
all of my friends and everyone is now scattered everywhere.
वो तो होता ही है.
Yeah.
So you like Hyderabad?
Yeah, I love Hyderabad. I think there's a lot to do here compared to Kolkata. But I do miss Kolkata when it's Durga Puja season. And the
I think
flight
the entire
tickets
city lights up, right, during Kolkata.
Yeah, entire city. Like you will step out of your house and you will know that something's up. Like we are all in a festive mood. Everywhere there's fairy lights and
And
there's songs in every colony playing.
yeah, I've heard this beautiful part about Kolkata where there was a Muslim person I met,
Okay.
and he was saying so high about Kolkata ki like during Kali Puja,
Yeah.
I mean Durga Puja.
Okay.
He was like कि भैया बहुत सुंदर लगता है पूरा जगह and all that, which is the beautiful part, no? He
Yeah.
like he's from a different religion, but still he's happy about it.
Yeah. And you just don't get to see that culture anywhere else, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, everywhere, even here. during
होता है यार,
Durga
इधर
Puja.
भी like there is like they call it the Ganga Jamna Tehzeeb, where like
Okay.
both the cultures like live in prosperity or like peace.
Yeah.
So-
Yeah, I think everyone should be at peace. But yeah,
Yeah, bhai.
sometimes I do miss my festivals.
But here also I think like they celebrate it in a good way. I mean, there are so many close communities. Bengali people, they celebrate
Yeah,
it in a
that's
good
what
way.
I visited one, but then it still did not give the vibe that we get there.
और ये भी है ना कि like आप सारे बंगालियों के बीच में हो, इधर तो मतलब एक there's a place where everybody came,
Yeah.
but there the entire city we are talking about.
Yeah, that's what. It's like the entire city.
Yeah.
You go anywhere and you're in a festive mood.
तो उधर भी ऐसा होता है क्या, let's say जब पंडाल वंडाल में जाते हैं
हाँ,
तो मतलब खाना बट रहा है या फिर प्रसाद बट रहा है,
होता
और
है. And
कितने दिन का होता है?
it's for 1 week,
एक हफ्ता.
10 days. 10 days, but 1 week tak it's very hyped up and everyone's
Okay.
enjoying and stuff.
Okay.
10 it's for an entire 7 days, but it's actually for 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah, and दशमी के दिन माँ दुर्गा को भाषण कहते हैं हम लोग बंगाली में,
Okay.
विसर्जन.
Okay.
तो वो हो जाता है. And it's the saddest day, trust me, because right the next day, previous day,
You're going back
everything
to
was
normal.
everything was lit up. There were lights, there were songs, there were pandals, and suddenly the next day it's ordinary again.
Yeah.
Everything's back to normal, and it feels so eerie and not so normal, sometimes. And yeah, so that is a very abnormal feeling. But then I think it's a privilege to have that feeling, because I don't have that privilege anymore to feel that.
Oh yeah, maybe like you still have people, I mean relatives there, no?
I do, but
And you might be visiting them, I mean, once in a while.
I do, but no, actually a lot of my relatives, I mean the ones that we are actually close to, don't live there anymore.
Okay.
Do
People
you
should.
have friends from there?
I have a lot of friends. I have got people working in Kolkata. I mean, colleagues as well.
Okay.
And I've got friends from Kolkata. So let's say
Okay.
growing up as well, there used to be auntie.
Yeah.
Like she would cook and make us eat all the Bengali cuisines.
Yeah.
So that way, like, and also his son used to mostly be with us. So they used to be one of our friends. So we have spent a lot of time in that, knowing that culture and all that. There used to be an old lady who used to love us like as if she is my grandmother.
Okay.
Bengali auntie thi. and she would always say, I mean, we used to speak to her in Hindi, she would
Yeah.
reply in Bengali. So it's like not a...
So that is how you learn to interpret
Exactly.
the language. Okay.
Now we would ask her, we would call her Masi Masi.
Okay.
So, and my brother was her favorite.
Okay.
So I was like somebody whom she liked but also disliked.
Okay.
So she would love him more.
Why is that?
पता नहीं यार, शायद भैया मेरे से ज़्यादा cute थे and all that.
Okay.
And at that point I was very naughty and all else.
Okay.
So that way, no, even if you tell somebody, she would speak to my mother like, मैं ये आज ता ई होचे, आज ता ई होचे बोल के.
Okay,
So-
nice try.
मैं आई
Nice try.
ई होचे या वो होचे,
हाँ,
or maybe
होचे.
she would always speak in Bengali. So
Yeah.
that's not a
So she never spoke to you in
Hindi. No, she would speak to everyone in Bengali only, but a mix of Hindi, थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर उधर.
Okay, that is how you learned.
Yeah,
That's
so
okay.
it was not a option. It was a necessity कि
Yeah,
भाई
yeah.
सीख लो कि भाई बुढ़िया बोल क्या रही है.
Are you still in touch with her?
No, but yeah, she used to work for somebody. I mean, and she suddenly left. I mean, and after that we spoke a few times. But now, as of today, if you ask me, are we in touch? No.
Okay.
Maybe 5 years, 10 years from now, yeah, we used to speak sometimes.
Okay.
But yeah, we miss her somehow. Because growing up, there's a memory of her as well, bro.
Yeah.
She used to be
was a
there.
part
She used
of
to
your
like
childhood.
make us eat something, or if
Yeah.
my mother is busy, she would like be like angry with us, as if she's our grandmother. College or something is. There's a professor whose video I recorded this way. Okay.
Oh, you returned from there as well?
नहीं उधर से नहीं. I picked him from somewhere, Gachibowli and all.
Oh wow.
So,
okay.
He's like full on. He's like, okay, you can record it, and his perspective was कि कितने ही लोग देखते होंगे. I'm telling you, I posted, it went viral.
It went viral.
Viral. His students were commenting, sir, proxy डलवा दो.
Which professor?
And I can't take names.
It's on your page.
I removed it. I moved it to private because he called and he's like, भाई मेरी job चली जाएगी, ऐसा मत कर. I'm like, okay, sir, निकाल लेता हूँ.
Job चली. He thought it won't go viral. Okay, that's a
उन्होंने
fact.
सोचा होगा कि भाई हाँ कोई छोटा मोटा आदमी है कर लेगा. मैंने उनको बोला था कि भाई सर YouTube पे एक 5000 लोग हैं और Instagram पे 600-700 थे उस पॉइंट पे. अभी मेरे पास 5000 होंगे अभी के आज की डेट में. एक हफ्ते पहले की बात है. एक हफ्ते डेढ़ हफ्ते ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा.
Wow, okay. Interesting.
So yeah, that's how I suggested कि like हम लोग इमोजी डाल के आपका रिकॉर्ड करेंगे.
नहीं, it's fine. I don't have a job. I don't have anything to do.
अरे बट स्टिल पापा डांटेंगे, भैया कुछ
नहीं,
बोलेगा.
they don't care. They don't care.
ठीक है तो फिर then we'll put it.
You could just drop me on that.
ठीक है.
Because वो U-turn blocked रहता है. अभी तक आया नहीं है.
तो आपका तो अभी पीपीटी मतलब कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन देना है. तो
Yeah.
बहुत बोरिंग लगता है यार प्रेजेंटेशन पे.
And what's scary है?
स्केरी क्या ही है.
I mean, eventually मेरे को public speaking से डर हट गया, but still.
यू आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट. डर ही क्या लगेगा तुमको.
Thank you.
हाँ. नहीं लगना चाहिए तुमको देख के दूसरों को डरना चाहिए कि भाई कुछ बोल ना दे. It's nice, no? I would want my daughter also to become like you guys.
Thank you.
इधर रोक दो
उधर.
बस स्टॉप के पास.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. You have a good time.
Have a nice day.
All the best with your presentation.
And all the best to you too.
चलो
Bye.
take care. Good day. Bye.
Oi, I've got to pay.
ऐसा लग रहा है हम रिश्तेदार को छोड़ के यार इंस्टा पे भी देखते रहना कि भाई क्या कर रहे
I'll
हैं.
follow you. You can tag me. Bye bye.
चलो ठीक है. बाय.